got another cold weekend and today we are at Bowness Park. This park has been a gathering spot for over a century here in Calgary. Families used to come here mostly during summer as there are a lot of fun things to do like picnics, paddle boats, a cute throwback through the little train that runs through the park, or spending a long lazy afternoons by the water. But this afternoon, we are here to appreciate winter despite the cold. Bowness Park started taking shape in the early 1900s, back when this whole area was still its own little community. It was designed as a place for people to slow down and enjoy the river, and over the years it stayed that way. A lot has changed around it, but the park still carries the same feeling of being a shared space for everyone.
Those are the indications that the warmer season is upon us, or the spring, which is something that we're looking forward to. If you notice, the ice on the river basin is starting to break.
Not going back there. It's not safe. We're not confident. Or maybe we can just slide. Slide down. Bowness Park is about 30 hectares, and when you walk around it at a relaxed pace, it usually takes a little over an hour to loop the whole area. Winter gives the whole area a quiet, almost muted feeling, and right now you can see that it's starting to wind down. The sheets of ice along the edges of the river are cracking and breaking apart, little signs that the season is getting ready to move on. Winter is pretty, but please, I'm so ready for the next season already. the one without snow. By the way, if you need a break from walking, there's a restaurant right inside the park. It's called Seasons of Bowness Park. It's open all year, sitting right by the water. Anyways, cold or not, it's always nice to be out here. Bowness Park has this way of reminding you to slow down for a bit. And hopefully, the next time we're back, it's finally be the season without snow. Thank you for watching. Keep shining. Happy wandering.